Well, hello everybody, and a happy summer to you all. Hello, summer. And I just wanted to show you this cute little mini sewing machine. I bet all your grandmothers had one like this as she was growing up. Okay, now I'm going to open the drawer. I'm holding the camera at the same time, so let's see, where is it? Right here, right? There you go. There you go. Isn't that cute? Now take notice as the sewing machine is sewing. Look at the little pedal going down. And there you see the thread spool going around, and you remember those days? I used to have a real one like this. I really love it, but I don't have it anymore because it conked out. Isn't that sweet? This is a really nice gift for a grandma or a mom. It is so cute. It's so precious. I saw it on Facebook advertised, and I loved it, so I sent for it. And it came in about like 3 weeks. It is so cute. Okay, now let me over here on the side, I'm going to turn it around like this. Hold on. There, you can see. Over here is the little winder. Let's see if I can wind it and hold the camera at the same time. I should put it on a... There. As you turn it around, there it goes. See, and if I close the drawer, it will stop. If you open the drawer, it'll go on. There. As you can see, it had like a little scissors. Isn't that cute? And pretty music. And you got to wind it up again. You don't want to overwind it either. Okay.